Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can make a square knot weave utilizing the fishbone pattern. Let's get started. You are going to need to use 5 ropes for this pattern, and I have attached mine using a lark's head knot. And our first step is to tie a square knot right in the center. So I'm going to use the 4 ropes directly in the center and tie a square knot. To do this, I'll take the rope on the far right to cross over the 2 in the middle, then the rope on the left goes over that, behind the 2, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. Then I'm going to take the left side to cross over the 2 in the middle. The rope on the right goes over, behind the 2, and through the loop. And I just pull that tight. Now I'm going to take the 2 working ropes that I was just using to tie the square knot, and I'm going to drape them out of my way over my dowel rod. And now what we're going to do is take our next 2 ropes here, and they're both going to come underneath the ropes that we just hung up, and we're going to tie another square knot. And again, I'm going to take these ropes and I'm going to drape them over my dowel rod. Now comes the first part of the weaving. So I'm going to take my next rope here and I'm going to weave it over and then under the 2 ropes that I have hanging up. So let me pull it up. So it's going to go over the first one and then under the second one. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm going to take the next one, and it's going to go over, and then it's going to go under. Okay, so then I just come in and use those 2 to tie another square knot around my center. And it's very important to make sure you're keeping all these ropes tight. Take these and drape them over my dowel rod as before. And so this one on the end, my last one, it's going to go under, over, and then under. So it's already under my first one. So I'm just going to send it over the one in the middle and then send it under the last one. Just like that. Same on this side. So it starts under, then it's going to go over the center rope and then under the bottom one. Just like that. So under, over, under on both sides, and then I tie my square knot. And I'm just going to take both these strings and hang them over my dowel rod with the other ones. So this is the first half of our woven square knot, and now we're going to do the bottom half. So we're going to take these first strings here that we originally worked with, they're up top, and we are going to weave them through the other 3. So we're going to go under, over, and under. So I'm just going to carefully take that down so I don't move any of the other ropes, and I'm going to send it under, over, and then under. And I'm going to do the same thing on my right side. So I'm going to take this one up top, and I'm going to send it under, over, and under. I'm going to kind of slide them into place, and then I'm just going to tie a square knot. Again, remember to keep everything nice and tight. Now we'll do the next string, the one right on top, and it's going to go under, over. Under, over. Same thing on this side. Under and over. Side note, I forgot to drape my last two back over my dowel rod, so I'm just going to do that real fast. It just goes right underneath the other two so we can include it in the weave. So it is going to go under those two. And then I tie my square knot. Then I'm going to take these and also drape them over my dowel rod, right underneath the last one. And then it's time to do our top ropes, and it's going to go under, over, under. Same on this side. Take the one on top. It's going to go under, over, under. And I'm just going to tie my square knot. And I'm going to do this once more, draping these over the sides. And I'm just going to take the strings on top and send it under, over, and under. I'm going to do the same on this side, so the one here on top goes under, over, and under. And then I'm just going to tie my square knot. And that's where I'm going to end for my little chain. I'm going to let the other ropes hang now. And I'm just going to kind of gently tug on everything just so we see that pattern nice and clear. And that is what it should look like. It is so, so pretty and beautiful. So when you are making this, you can add as many ropes as you want to make this as big as you want, and you can probably get away with one less rope on each side, but I recommend 5 as your minimum, I think. This is a great thickness if you want to use this for like a belt. And if you use this pattern as really big, you could even use this as a hammock weave. So this could be the woven part of as a hammock design. So it is very versatile. Of course, this would look great in wall hangings as well. It would look great in really cool, fancy plant hangers. So just be creative with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found this video very helpful and inspiring. And thank you so much for watching.